Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala ali Sayyidina Muhammad wa barik wa sallim. Welcome to Usman Nizami channel. In this video, we are going to learn two very important two lessons. One is we never should proud. So maximum person, because this is the human nature, so he feels proud. Once he get full knowledge, he become an engineer, doctor, or he got any degree. So obviously those who are not studied, those who are not in their field, so he feels proud. Feeling proud is very bad. We never should feel proud. In place of proud, we should thank to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We should thank to God. And also, so whatever we are doing the work, continuously we should do it. So if we are the student and we are learning with focus, continuously we should learn. We should not see here and there. Many persons, they drop their study. Okay, that is his problem, but we should focus and continuously we should complete our course. Slowly make study. So let's start that story, and very famous in our childhood only we read this story. A lot of lessons are there, but in this video we are taking two lessons. One is we never should feel proud. So if we feel proud, what will happen? And also whatever work we are doing, continuously, without rest, without sleep, continuously we should do our work. So a story is very famous. A hare and a tortoise. Hare, we can say rabbit, hare, rabbit, male, female, and a tortoise. So always the hare, the rabbit used to tell that I can run very fast. So see how is my running. So always the hare, the rabbit used to tell to tortoise. So tortoise listen many times. So because the tortoise run very slowly, tortoise speed, tortoise running. So one day the tortoise challenge. Okay, let's make one race. Let's see who will win. So the hare, the rabbit laughed and told that okay, let's make a race. So they fix one goal from this point to that point. Let's whoever will reach first there, so he is the winner. So rabbit accepted the challenge. Now the race started. Hare, the rabbit, started to run very fast, because obviously from the animals, which animal runs very fast? That is rabbit, that is hare. Now that hare ran very fast, and he saw behind him that the tortoise is very far place. So the hare, the rabbit thought that why not I take some rest, because that the rabbit is so far, when it will come. So tortoise got one shady tree, and that rabbit slept under the tree. Now the tortoise is walking, the tortoise is running slowly. At end, the tortoise reached its goal. So after some time, the rabbit got up, and he started to run. So when the rabbit near that goal, so he saw that there is already tortoise is there. So it means who reach first, tortoise reach first. So this was the story lesson. So in this lesson, one point is there: the hare, the rabbit should not feel proud. In the same way, in our life, Allah Ta'ala has given us some law, some wealth to distribute who are the needy persons. But we should not never feel proud. If we have the any skill, I became the doctor, I became the teacher, I have some knowledge, so I should share with others. I should not feel proud that they don't have this skill I have. So see, this is very bad thing. This is the distribution of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Whatever Allah ta'ala wants, Allah ta'ala gives us. So this is a nice and good skill. So in the same way, that tortoise example, slowly make study. So whatever we are doing, the work, business, we are doing, suppose exercise, regularly we should do the exercise. Definitely our health will become nice and good. And we are reading the books, so continuously. So not only 1 or 2 days we read many pages and then we stop. That is wrong. Whatever we fix goal, daily some pages, so we should continuously read, so that one day will come we can complete that book. Whatever we are learning, we want to get some skill. So here is we should take the example of tortoise. Definitely he will reach in the goal, and and that tortoise is winner. So definitely you also, whatever work, whatever you are learning, whatever work you are doing, regularly, continuously, you should do that work, and definitely you will reach in goal. Thank you for watching my videos. Please comment me, please tell me, please suggest me anything, and please remember me in your dua. Thank you very much.